What's the sound of metal? We all know the sound of a glass. If you take a standard glass, make a sound. If you take a crystal glass, makes another sound. So what's the difference? In the crystal glass, you have added some lead. So I'll come back to that. But do you know how metal sounds? I used to play the trumpet. Wow, what is that? Why does it make that sound? It's brass. So I went in my summer break to visit a church in the northern part of Sweden, near Luleå, and look at the pipes. These are not made in brass. They are made in lead alloys. Today they are made typically in lead tin alloys. The reason for adding tin is that you want to make it easier to melt and cast, so lowering the melting point, as you can see in the phase diagram, makes it easier to produce on site. Another reason is that, especially the big pipes, as lead is so heavy and it's so soft, then the deformation of its own weight creates creep. It means that when you build the organ pipe, it will change over the years, so the sound will change, and nobody wants that. But why are they made in lead? It's because lead has a special softness to the sound. Lead does not vibrate on its own, so it only leaves the sound of the air standing in it. But can I find that in any data sheet? What's the sound of this alloy? And if you look at these pipes, they are made in copper. Why is that? Because it's a lot more difficult to produce, and especially the inlet of air, where when using lead alloys, you can easily mechanically manipulate with it with hand tools, so you can tonate the organ on site. And that's one of the main reasons why lead is still used in organ pipes. But I would love your help to let me know why some do it in copper alloys. But what's the sound of a metal?